Hi, today we're going to see how Reveille manages system performance, ensures service levels, and hardens security for an IBM Content Manager on Demand for Multiplatforms CMOD installation. Reveille can help to identify and resolve process-level exceptions and user performance issues. In short, provide deep insight into CMOD operations, reducing application support costs, tracking license and storage trends, and ensuring availability. We received an email to advise us that CMOD search response is slow. Reveille provides a high-level view of all systems it manages. It allows us to quickly find the root cause of a problem. As we drill down, we can see the system in much more detail, and this allows us to pinpoint exactly where the issue is. We can see there is an issue with CMOD search performance, and specifically, searching for reports. The search processing time in the CMOD repository is above the average expected for this time of day. We can resolve the issue by restarting the CMOD ODWEC server process that handles searching within CMOD. This is a recurring problem that needs an immediate solution. In addition to immediately resolving this manually, we can automate the fix. We navigate to the specific test that has failed, we identify the error the test has picked up, and then create the activity to restart the process. Also, if required, we can schedule when the activity will take place. To recap, on finding the error, we've created a proactive activity that kicks off a job that solves this issue. The monitor later shows the issue has been resolved. We can also check the CMOD performance dashboard to verify that search performance has now improved. We can review the CMOD response times and application security dashboards to verify our user experience and security risk profile. The security dashboard shows the number of documents being downloaded from the system. It also provides information on other unusual user activity that may be of concern. If required, Reveille can automatically disable a user's access to the system until any investigation takes place. As you can see, with Reveille you can be assured that your CMOD operations are running seamlessly and that you are providing the committed service levels to your users. To learn how all of this can be deployed in days in any environment, visit reveillesoftware.com or contact us today. Thank you for your time.